Yummy. You can eat it. What the hell, so to speak. Very laissez-faire. Hello everyone, welcome to Working on Clouds, where we look at your work life and we're trying to make it just as you're walking on clouds, all nice and soft and cushy. So let's talk about this a little bit. So if we think about clouds, right, initially we think about rain and dark and I think about it a bit as a negative thing. But if you imagine maybe like the airplane, if you've been on an airplane and you start and the airplane takes off and all of a sudden you go over the clouds and you see, and they're so nice, so soft, so white. When I see this, I always think, I just want to jump out of this plane and like jump into those clouds. And that's kind of like what we're trying to do here. So either you can see clouds as negative, or you can see your work and your job as negative, or you can still have the clouds, but you see them more as nice and sunny and soft and like cotton candy. Yummy, you can eat it. So we are here together to look at your work life and see what can we change, where can we bring in more sunshine, but also where can we maybe turn those dark clouds into those softer ones. And that's all about reframing. So think about it as having your own coach, your own professional coach who's there with you and walks you through the different topics that are relevant. For example, I'm procrastinating, so I'm pushing things away, or I'm not happy in my job, or how can I promote my skills more? All of these things that maybe come through your head and that we could, think about, reflect and work on. As a professor in leadership, so I will bring you all the research sites that we know about what makes us happy in a job, or how can we be more productive, and how can we work better with other people. And then I'm going to make it very practical. So as I was saying, acting as your coach, so you have somebody on your side who really helps you and supports you, so you can make your work life just as you are walking on clouds. So come with me and enjoy the ride. See you soon.